You're about to watch the Paulie Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
Alright folks, Paulie here with a pizza update. Yes, Detroit style. I made a couple pizzas. I did 00 flour, Neapolitan dough. I used a poolish 24 hours. Made the balls, dough balls, and let them rise and made these two pizzas. One, basically a round pizza. Let me just show you. Now it's cooled off and everything, kind of in the cold state, but this pizza is amazing. That crust is so nice and chewy in the most greatest way. I got ham, I got pepperoni, and I got pepperoni on this thing. Whew. And wow. But here is the star of the show. Let me show you. I just pulled out my Detroit style out of the oven, and that is looking good. I'm gonna take it out for you and let you see it. Now this pan is still freaking hot, I'm telling you that. Yeah, you want to let it cool off, because if you don't, that cheese is going to spill over. Probably isn't even ready to be taken out yet. But I'm doing this for you, the best subscribers on YouTube. Oh, that fried crust. Oh my goodness, does that look good. Oh, true beauty. Look at this. Oh my goodness, is that. Yeah, it's a little thin, but let me explain. This is actually a Detroit style with the Neapolitan crust. That's right. Very unique to the Detroit style. I'm sure I'm not the first, but this may be the first time many of us have ever seen this version. It is going to be amazing. I'm not going to eat it right now because I already had two pieces of the other pizza I made. The other pizza was hanging over the side of my pizza peel too, so I'm glad I didn't drop any of that. Great looking pizza, and I can't wait to dig into this Detroit style.